Okay, let's figure out how to set up Claude with a new skill, and we're going to be doing accessibility today. So here's my Claude. I have the Pro account, and I need to open my sidebar. There's a little button called More. If you're not showing everything, you can customize your sidebar. I've got all of these turned on. So we're going to go into Customize, and then we have a couple of things here. Right now we're going to look at Skills. And I've got a skill actually built, but I'm going to redo it for you, called accessibility. But there's some that I just added in here. You can add skills just by hitting the plus button, browsing skills, and clicking on any of these and downloading them into your Claude. In this version, so far, they don't have an accessibility one, but that's okay. We can make our own skill, which I did, but I'll show you how I did that. Just hit the plus button, create skill, create with Claude. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions, so let's say, let's create an accessibility skill for educators to create accessible content using all current laws. And send that over. So it's going to start asking me some questions so that it knows what to create. And this part is up to you. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want all of this to be accessible, so I'm going to hit all of the above. Next. Which framework should I cover? I'm going to cover everything. Audit existing content, generate accessible content from scratch. I'm going to hit number 3. And what is it for? I'm going to do this for college, and I'm going to do it for mixed. What skill should it produce? I would like to do a full report. Should the skill include ready-to-use language? Yes, include ready-to-paste templates, I would like. Again, it's up to you. And now it's going to create what's called a .md file. If you're a GitHub user, used to those, it'll save all the instructions for the skill. It'll give a package, then they can download into Claude. Okay, so Claude is creating the ready-to-paste template files with all the instructions for any of the types of documents I'm going to be doing. You can see it's including audio and video, images, PowerPoints, documents, the whole 9 yards here. Okay, so finally, after about 5 minutes, it's created this skill called the Accessible Educator. And I can download it and save that skill, and it'll be in my Claude. I can see on the right side the description of what's going on there, all the things it's going to be doing, all the steps it'll go through. So you can review all of that, and you can test it out and see if it works. All the things it's going to be following, all the different laws that I picked there when it was asking me questions. And it's up to date. It even knew that the law has a 1-year delay coming into effect. I'm going to download this just to save it, and I'm going to save my skill. Okay, so now that it's saved, I can go back into my skills, and actually I can manage my skills right here. Okay, so I've got my new accessibility skill right here. You can see it under personal skills. Fantastic. So now I just use Claude as normal. Like I can go make a document. Let's make a check on my syllabus. Revise to make accessible. So I'm going to actually put my syllabus in this chat. Okay, so when it's done, it gave me an accessible version of my syllabus, which is a little different. It actually has the same material that I had, but now it's an accessible version. I can go back and change the colors, add my school logo and whatnot, but there you go. You get a downloadable file, and it tells you all the things. There's a whole report on what it sent, and there's the download right there. So I hope you learned now how to create a new skill, accessibility, or any other skill that you'd like to add into your Claude environment. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us at www.eduvators.net.